Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you the new feature from TikTok where they've now introduced more text-to-speech voices. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So if you guys remember, I posted a video where TikTok released these new text-to-speech voices before, but then they recalled it right away.
You should have gone for the head.
It is unclear why the voices were introduced and then since disappeared, and TikTok have provided no official explanation of that. But now TikTok have rolled out 5 different voices for the text-to-speech feature, and I'll be showing you how to get these voices. So on your phone, open your TikTok app, tap on the plus sign and record a video, or you can upload your own video. Now when you're in the editing screen for your TikTok video, tap on the text icon at the bottom. Type in a sentence you want to convert to text-to-speech. Now before you press done, at the top right, you'll see this new icon just above your keyboard. This icon looks like a person with some sound waves coming out of the mouth. Tap on this icon and you'll enable text-to-speech feature. Now to change the voice, you need to tap on the text itself, then tap on change voice. If you don't see this option, then you have not enabled the text-to-speech option yet. Once you do this, you'll see 5 new options below. The first one is Chris, and it is a British voice.
Oh my god, the new feature's out. Speech to text voices.
The second one is Joey, who is American.
Oh my god, the new feature is out. Speech to text voices.
Third one is Alex, who is British.
Oh my god, the new feature's out. Speech to text voices.
The fourth one is Eddie, who's Australian.
Oh my god, the new feature's out. Speech to text voices.
And the last one is Jessie, who was the default voice of TikTok, and she's American.
Oh my god, the new feature's out. Speech to text voices.
Select your voice and press done. If you want to select the voice as a default for all videos, then make sure you tap on apply the name to following text-to-speech. Yeah, so apply any text-to-speech voices and create your video. And those were the 5 different voices for your text-to-speech feature in TikTok. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.